Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to find an explicit formula for the inverse of f and use it to graph the inverse, f, and the line y equals x on the same screen. And to check our work, see whether the graphs of f and f inverse are reflections about the line. So to find the inverse of this function, wherever we see f, we replace it with x. And wherever we see x, we replace it with f. Except this time, it's the inverse. So now let's solve for f inverse. Subtract 1 for both sides. X minus 1 is equal to e to the negative f inverse of x. We can take the log of this equation. So this is log base e of x minus 1 equals the exponent negative f inverse. Then we just divide by negative 1. To get that to cancel, and we get the inverse of f is equal to negative log base e is the natural log of x minus 1. So that's the inverse. So we're going to now graph this equation, and y equals x on the same screen. So I have that pulled up in Desmos here. And we can see that in purple we have our original function. In black we have the inverse. And they mirror each other across y equals x. Right? It might be a little hard to see that because it crosses the line. But you can see that, for example, this stretch right here is reflected right there. And it's this reason that we know that it's the inverse because it's perfectly reflected about this line y equals x.